together. Clean up time, let us go. Toys on the floor and socks everywhere. Clean it up, everybody go. Pick it up, nice and slow. Working together makes it fun today. Helping each other all the way. Blocks on the bed and stuff on the chair. Milo picks up the cars so fast. Lila folds clothes in a giant stack. We can do it, yes we can. Working together is God's good plan. Milo found a sock on his head. Lila laughed and danced instead. Sweep, sweep, sweep the floor so bright. Clean it up, everybody go. Pick it up, nice and slow. Working together makes it fun today. Helping each other all the way. Now the room is looking right. Who can help? We can help. Who can clean? We can clean. Who works together? Teamwork, team. Clean it up, clap your hands. Helping together is God's big plan. Smiling faces everywhere we go. We can help our family grow.